Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Lux Research Innovation Leaders Series. And I am so delighted to have a very distinguished leader with us today, Pascale Wautelet. She's the Global VP of Research, Development, and Sustainability at Avery Dennison. Welcome.
Thank you, Marisa. I'm delighted to be here. Thank you so much for inviting me for this fire chat.
Yes. Is anything changing in how you approach that? Does AI affect that? Are you changing any of your business processes around how you do that today? Or is that a fairly traditional process of discovery and understanding those mega trends?
We are looking at AI for sure. We have been putting quite some effort because AI, machine learning, it's a given. It's not
Yes.
going to go away. It's something that it's more a question for me of at which pace is gonna come, because of course AI has also a cost associated to it. So, but at least at Avery Dennison, we are trying to take AI in a very pragmatic way. We are trying to do step by step, not jumping blind, but more prioritizing where we think this will have a major impact. Of course, impact of productivity, and we are really looking across 4 areas. We are looking across factory, of course, factory 4.0. We are looking about around customer, how we can facilitate the connection with the customer and their connection with their consumer. It's what we would call more the customer X. We are looking at employee very internally, how we make the life of our employee and how we digitalize our HR, but we are also looking at product and solution. And of course, we have prioritized 4 areas there where we think about system and process around innovation. We think about Lab 4.0. We think about how we build the knowledge and culture and the sharing, because sharing is speed. And then we think about AI and ML models as a mean to accelerate the innovation, the pace of innovation. And as a mean to do innovation in a very different way. So yes, I think AI is definitively a transformation of our business, but also it can enable us to innovate solution for our customer.
Excellent.